Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are unboxing the new drone we got for our YouTube channel, and this is the DJI Mini 4K. We got this drone from Hack Digital and it's a good drone, I must confess. It's my first time of flying a drone, so it's a bit hard for me, but there's nothing we can't actually learn. So we got this drone to help boost our content creation on YouTube and also make our work more easier and very reliable. A lot of people have been complaining that there's no area view, so I believe with the help of this drone we'll be able to show all the areas, all the construction sites and every other places we wish to see. I'll be showing you the final some clips from the drone, and please don't forget to like this video, share, and also turn on the post notification to watch more videos concerning this channel. So moving on, we started the unboxing, and the drone is quite heavy, but not so heavy, about 240 grams. So when I opened it, I kind of see something. I was surprised. There's a barcode at the box here. I had to scan that to download some app. But first of all, when you open it, this is what you see. Just the drone, which is quite about 200 and something gram in size, in weight, and it's a DJI Mini 4K drone. It's a drone that was just released, maybe not up to a year or so. So this is how new the drone is. I'll play the rest of the video so you see the unboxing and also tell me what you think about the drone. Nothing. And right here there's a second component. I think this right here, some accessory. Okay, the controllers, they say. Okay, these are the chargers, the cables, and I think this an app. Okay, these are the manuals, and I don't know what this is. Oh, it comes with extra blade. So that's 4 extra blade in case yours got broken. And back to the pack. Here we have the controller. Okay. So the controller. What am I supposed to do here? For the controller, it has a camera sign here. Okay, this. So this is, oh, it's on. And I don't know what this is. Maybe with time we'll learn about it. Okay. Okay, this is, I think this one holds the phone. So that's it about the DJI Mini 4K. It's quite expensive. Oh, there's something right there. I don't know what this. Oh, okay. Okay, these are the controls. Yeah, the random one here. Kind of difficult. So this is it. Great. These are charging ports. Solid. It looks solid. Then back to the drone. There's I think that's a seal. Okay, goes by this and like this. Okay, same thing over here. And it comes like this. Oh, so much bad. I'm not pulling the wrong way. Okay, this one goes like this. Like this. There's another seal right. Oh, so this is the battery. This is the battery. I don't want to bring this on. Okay. This is the battery. Just put that back inside. And right here, another kill. Oh my god. Oh, that was a camera. So let's see. So this is the camera cover. I think they had case to protect it. I don't know if I want to fly this with this. Anyways, this is how it looks. So this is all about the drone. It's portable. It's a bit heavy, but not so heavy. Alright, so this is the unboxing, and that's all that's in the pack. Amazing. Bye bye.